Okay, so everything we had to do for the crackers is now just working its way through, so it's going to be a couple of hours. But now I'm going to show you how we're actually going to make the cheese dip, and it's real simple. All you have to do is you take cashews, a couple of cupfuls, a cup and a half maybe, a little bit of salt. There we go. Oh, this is, I don't know if you can see this. This is curcuma. It's a little bit of fresh curcuma and half a garlic. And I actually prefer this garlic. It's a Chinese garlic, and it's just a little bit milder, and I prefer it for the dippy cheese. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put in some vinegar, and this is organic vinegar, apple cider vinegar, which we made ourselves. And I'm going to add some water, not too much to start off with. Okay, and that's really it. I put a bit of salt, and I'm going to go and blend this, and I'll be right back. I've just tasted this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so what I didn't tell you and what I've just done in the meanwhile, I've added just a little bit of lemon. I haven't added any more water. I didn't need to because this is perfect consistency. And now I'm going to, some chips I made. I'm going to tell you in a minute how to make them because you'd be amazed. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is gorgeous. You know what this is? Sweet potato. So all you do, sorry. All you do is just slice it real thin, and that was actually lazy. The best way to do it is just use like one of these boards, like a mandolin thing. But you can also try and slice it real thin. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't alter it. But you just eat it as this, raw, and then you. I think more civilized people put it in a bowl, but I just had to taste this because this is so good. Yes, it does have a garlicky taste, but it doesn't matter as long as everybody shares, nobody notices. God, this is beautiful. Lovely. Okay, vegan, raw, organic, gluten-free, and so tasty. It just doesn't get any better. By the way, you don't have to add the garlic. Really not, but if you want to kick, add the garlic. You can also add a little bit of nutritional yeast if you want to. It makes it a bit more creamy. I'm going to show you some other recipes that are really simple to do. Like, you know, this cheese dip, there are all sorts of variations you can do with this. You can make harder cheese, you can make a soft cheese like this one. You can play around with all sorts of herbs. So you could add, for example, sage to make it taste a little bit more like, well, it'll remind you more of a goat's cheese, for example. And you can make all variations of different crackers. It's actually a lot of fun because it's real simple. You know, you don't need a stove, you don't need anything. Yeah, you need a dehydrator, which isn't that expensive. I mean, this isn't my kitchen. I'm here for a couple of months. But, you know, I brought my dehydrator with me, and like a travel one. That one that I've got is, I don't know, $60, $70 maybe, no more. So very cost effectively you can start to take your first steps towards having a more live food diet. So that's me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me your comments below. Share, you know, sharing is caring. So if you know anybody who might be interested in this, please share. And have a wonderful remainder of the day. And I'll see you around. Bye-bye.